What is up, YouTubers? So, doing a 62 Impala build, and got part of the floor cut out so far. This is the original skin. Braces down there, another brace, and another brace, and then there's one more right there. So, what I started off doing was I went around and I got all the spot welds out. As you can see here, I drilled them all out. Now this is the original floor. There was patchwork done on here. So this is the floor here, which I'll show you. This is the patch floor. This is the original floor. They actually had it, they riveted, they put rivets in it, and then they used some sort of glue, and they only did just a little bit of the tack welds, because they did a tack weld here, the corner, and then you go underneath the car, there's like a ugly old booger weld between here. So what I'm doing, technically what I was going to do is I was going to take these welds off, split it in half all the way up to the toe board there, and then probably about 2 inches or so from the toe bed I was going to cut along here. Same with over here where that line is at. But I found out that the old floor, like this here, is still inside it. So yeah, that there, all that there is actually the floor. So I had to think of another strategy, so I start cutting it in sections. I cut out this part, and it was actually easy because it wasn't even welded to this brace. Same as goes here. This actually had a plate that goes here for your seats, but they rivet the patch on here, but didn't actually weld. But look like they did some sort of work, cause see there, yeah. So I was thinking of just gonna take these and clean them up and try to reuse them, but no, they're pretty much shot. So I ended up getting new ones. So that's how I looked at before. And now, those there's just my reference lines, because I knew I drew a line here and a line there. There was a brace between these, but it only goes halfway here, not all the way. This one goes all the way to the other end, and that goes all the way to the other end. These just stop here. So my inners is not that bad. So let me see if I can go on the other side and show y'all. But yeah. Now I gotta go underneath, scrape out some of the gunk they had. So there's my shipment. Those two is the braces for the rear wheel that bolts to the frame. Those there are the braces that I showed some of them there. This one is the other brace where the seat mounts to. This one here is for the front, which is that brace right there, from that end to that end. That little one over there is that brace. And this box here is that brace there. And the brace that goes here is just sitting right here. Sitting all pretty. But yeah, let me see if I can get y'all in. So that area looks bad, so I'm gonna have to replace it. May have to replace more of that area. That actually is the worst part, but I'm not for sure when I go inside here. Now these 62s, they have this brace that comes all the way out, and I felt it, and it's actually in good condition. So I'm glad I didn't have to do any of that. But all that there, those little wrinkly things, is just a power coat and a little bit of rust. And you see I saved the seats for the clips for the seats because I gotta do my measurement. I got my floor. Oops, sorry. There we go. I got my floor back here. It's not the whole floor. It doesn't include the braces, or it doesn't include the inner rockers, because when I looked under the car before, I looked at it and the inners was actually bad. It's just where certain spots is at. So I figured instead of buying a whole thing and cutting the car literally apart, I only just needed the section that really needs repair. And plus this side here is actually, it's in really good shape. I hope it's in good shape, because after I get done doing all the repair here, I'm going to start going in a trunk. And as soon as I get done with the trunk, then I'm going to take it to a sandblaster and have them sandblaster the car and stuff like that. So but yeah, so the next time when I show a video, it'll probably be these whole floors out. I wish I had a camera. I'm actually doing this on my phone. That way you can actually see me in work. Would love to do that, but I'll be investing in that pretty soon. I don't know about those rivets right there. Those is kind of worrying me. I don't know if no, they're not rivets there. I don't know what they is, but I'm going to have to investigate in that. So yeah, a lot of work to be done, but almost there. This is actually going to be pretty easy because they are already out. So I just need to cut the line. These are just peel right out, right off. Excuse my speech, everybody. But yeah, that's pretty much what I got for y'all right now. It was just a little intro of the beginning of the cut. So just want to keep y'all updated. I got more room in the garage now to work on this. The 65 is behind there. I still got that. But I got my dream car here, so I really want to get this going. So yeah. I'm gonna have to measure these so I can get a good measurement so I can copy it on the floor there. And same with, there's some flaps on the end. I gotta do it too as well. See how good that floor is. It's in really good shape. So yeah, that's my planning body. This is part one of the cutting. So as soon as I get done with this half, I'm gonna go ahead and start cutting the other one. But I don't really think I need to save these, so I'll probably just cut them off. But that way, leave a little piece on so I know where to put the new ones on. Except this, cause I need this intact and I need that intact as well. So I'm gonna do, if it's bad in those inner rockers, then I'm gonna repair those and put this brace down and weld it up. That way I don't flex the car or anything. I don't have to worry because it is a hard top and it's pretty braced there and braced up here, so I don't need to worry too much. And let me see something. I don't know why I'm trying it out right now, but I know oh yeah, still the same gap. I'll just leave it on. So yeah, beautiful car. Can't wait till I get done with her. So I'm gonna let y'all go. See y'all later. Bye now.